Students, Devyani ma'am here. So we are going to start with importance of delegation. The very first importance of delegation, effective management. Now, in the process of delegation, students, the manager empowering his subordinate so that the manager can take or concentrate on more important matters, and the routine matters are going to be taken care by subordinate. In that manner, both are doing their job in a perfect manner. That's why effective management. Employee development. As a result of delegation, employee get more opportunities to utilize their talents, and this may give rise to latent abilities in them. It allows them to develop those skills which will enable them to perform complex tasks. What happens in employee development when the subordinate is doing the things on his own, as the employer is given this responsibility to subordinate, or the boss has given this responsibility to subordinate, definitely when any person is going to do the things on his own, so it will help in the development of employees can use subordinate can use his talent or creativity to accomplish that task given by boss. Motivation of employees. Delegation always help in motivating employees or subordinate. When a superior gives some task to any one of the subordinate, it means boss shows trust that subordinate. In that manner, it encourage or motivate subordinate. So motivation of employees. Facilitation of growth. Delegation help in the expansion of an organization by providing a ready workforce to take up leading positions in new ventures. Now, as boss delegate authority to subordinate, and subordinate, because of the process of delegation, subordinate is taking care of all possible routine work and able to take decision on his own. In that manner, every person in the organization is able to do the things individually and use his own talent and creativity. So in case firm is having any in near future, they won't expand, there is a plan of expansion and extension, so ready workforce is available for that organization. Next importance, basis of management hierarchy. Delegation of authority establish superior subordinate relationship, of course, which are the basis of hierarchy of management. It is the degree and flow of authority which determine who has to report whom. So definitely this process of delegation, it is in the management hierarchy. So who is the boss, who is the subordinate, who will give command, who will follow the instruction, every possible thing. So it is always a basis of hierarchy. Next importance, better coordination. The element of delegation, namely authority, responsibility and accountability, help to define the power, duties and answerability related to various positions in an organization. This helps to avoid overlapping of duties and duplication of efforts. Now, how better coordination is there? Everything is absolutely clear. Which job designation is having what authority, what is the responsibility of that job designation, whether they are accountable, their level and degree of accountability, everything is absolutely clear because of this process of delegation. So that's why it gives a clear picture of the work being done at various levels. So students, this is we have done all the 6 importance of delegation. So for the day, that's it. Thank you.